France has declared an epidemic of seasonal flu as thousands fall sick. 26 people have died since the outbreak began. Coronavirus might be hogging the headlines at present, but in France normal seasonal flu is proving far more deadly. On Wednesday, the region of Normandy officially declared itself in epidemic, leading to the whole of mainland France now being in a state of influenza epidemic. Across the whole country, 301 out of every 100,000 people have flu, taking the illness into epidemic phase. Of the nearly 9,000 people that went to the hospital emergency room with flu symptoms last week, 810 were hospitalized. Since the start of the outbreak in November, 311 people have been admitted to intensive care with flu and 26 of them have died. These include 3 children under 15 years of age, 12 cases aged 15 to 64 and 11 cases aged 65 years and older. The average age of these serious cases is 52 years and 73% of them had risk factors for complications over 65 years of age, chronic illnesses, etc. Among the latter, 3/4 were not vaccinated against influenza among those whose vaccination status was known. This year, children seem to be particularly affected. Nearly 1/3 of emergency room visits and hospitalizations for influenza were children under 5 years old, compared with 20% for people aged 75 and over. Every year seasonal flu affects between 2 and 6 million people in France, and last year 9,500 people died from it. Health officials advise people to practice normal good hygiene, washing hands regularly, using disposable tissues and throwing them away if you have a cough and coughing into your elbow. Those who are sick are advised to wear a disposable face mask to help avoid spreading the illness. You can also still take the flu vaccine if you have not already. It is available in France from doctors and some pharmacies.